Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner. I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we're checking out a house that's kind of Ajijic Centro, West Ajijic. It's like right at the end of Ajijic Centro and at the beginning of West Ajijic. So that's why I'm saying that, because it's not exactly Centro and it's not exactly West. But this house, oh, I love it so much. The best thing about it is the like original, I mean, I want to say they're original, but maybe they're not. I don't know, but they look original, is the woodwork. Like the doors and all the doors in it are beautiful. They're hand carved, beautiful wooden doors, and the staircase is definitely original wood in it. So, and the windows, like, I don't know, something about the windows is just very beautiful. The only thing I would say is that the kitchen needs an update. The kitchen and the laundry room need a bit of updating. They've updated, it seems like, the rest of the house to standard and everything, but the kitchen and the laundry room need some updating. But otherwise, this is an excellent house. Has a automatic garage, so you can park your car in there, and beautiful place with all the original woodwork, so it's great. But before we get started, I need to plug our businesses. We have a bed and breakfast and a cafe in Ajijic Centro, El Gato Feo and Estrellitas, and they are amazing places, as you can see in this video. If you want more information on either of these, you can get there through my website, therealamandaturner.com, where there's a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and there's a link to the MLS on my website as well. So if you want to check out homes in this area, get an idea for what the prices are and what our inventory is like right now, you can get there through there. There's also a contact form on my website, so if you would like to contact me to either buy or sell or set up a tour, you can fill out that contact form. It goes straight to my email, so we can get in touch that way. And let's go check out this house. Alrighty, we're looking at a property that is listed for $310,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. The construction size is 175 square meters or 1,884 square feet. The lot size is 194 square meters or 2,088 square feet. It is not located in an HOA. It comes furnished, and it is in Ajijic Centro, kind of like West Ajijic. Here is the property line of this home that we're looking at right now. Just to give you an idea, here is the Ajijic Malecon. So you could essentially walk from this house and down onto the Malecon, take a nice little stroll, and then you're basically in Ajijic Centro, which is located right here. And that's what, like 6-7 blocks? So that's kind of nice. And of course, as everybody pretty much knows, a lot of things are going on in Ajijic Centro. It's kind of like the Vegas of the lake is what they call it. So yeah, from this house to anywhere in this area is very walkable. This is the Lake Chapala Society right here. Our businesses are located right next door to it. So Estrellitas and El Gato Feo Cafe are right here. You have Zona Fitness Gym. It's open every day. And it opens at 6 a.m. pretty much every day, I believe even on the weekend. So that's only about 4 blocks away from you. And then if you go this way, you can go to some of the nice restaurants that are located through here too. You can either walk this direction or drive this direction. Some really nice restaurants in here, like Pasta Treinta is really good. And what else do we have here? Mariscos Peter is great. What do we have? La Fiesta, Corazon de Malta. So living in this area right here, you could either go this direction to do some major grocery shopping, or you could go to Pancho's over here to do your grocery shopping, whatever you prefer. You can probably find more of what you need at Pancho's if you went this direction, and you wouldn't have to deal with all the traffic that's going to be through here in Ajijic because the traffic's a little lighter going this way. So to get to Pancho's would be a 6-minute drive. To get to Ajijic Centro, the plaza, would be a 10-minute drive. Looks like you're hitting a little bit of traffic through here, or I guess it's an 8-minute drive, but there's some traffic right through here. To get from this house to Chapala Centro, the Malecon, would be a 23-minute drive. To get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport is a 41-minute drive. And just FYI, they're doing a lot of construction and updating at the Guadalajara Airport, which is very nice. Every time I go there, I'm like, wow, this is amazing. All right, guys, that's it for me for this video. If you want to see more homes in this price range, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, which you totally should want to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.